Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide on what to pack in your carry-on luggage for your next flight. Whether you're a seasoned jet setter or a first-time flyer, these tips and essentials will ensure you're prepared for a smooth journey ahead. So let's jump right in. First things first, let's talk about the essentials. These are the items that you absolutely shouldn't leave home without. Passport and travel documents. Your passport, boarding pass, and any necessary visas should be the first things you pack. Keep them in a secure and easily accessible pocket of your carry-on. Electronics and entertainment. Don't forget your phone, charger, and any other electronic devices you'll need during the flight. A portable charger is a lifesaver for long journeys. Also, consider bringing headphones, a tablet, or a book to keep yourself entertained. Toiletries. Pack a small toiletry bag with essentials like toothpaste, toothbrush, facial wipes, moisturizer, and any medications you may need. Remember to comply with TSA regulations for liquids and gels. Snacks and water bottle. Airplane food may not always be to your liking, so pack some snacks like granola bars, nuts, or dried fruit to keep hunger at bay. Bring an empty water bottle to fill up after passing through security to stay hydrated throughout the flight. Now let's talk about packing techniques to maximize space and organization in your carry-on luggage. Roll your clothes. Rolling your clothes instead of folding them can save a ton of space and prevent wrinkles. Plus, it makes it easier to see what you've packed. Utilize packing cubes. Packing cubes are a game changer when it comes to staying organized. Sort your clothes by type or outfit and pack them into cubes to keep everything tidy and easy to find. Layering. Place heavier items like shoes or electronics at the bottom of your carry-on, followed by lighter items like clothing. This helps distribute weight evenly and prevent items from shifting during transit. And there you have it, folks. With these tips and essentials, you'll be well equipped for your next adventure. Remember to pack smart, pack light, and most importantly, pack for comfort. Bon voyage!